Beach camping, the ultimate guide to a coastal adventure. Beach camping combines the joys of the coast with the adventure of camping. Choose a beach campground with facilities such as restrooms and showers for comfort. Set up your tent on elevated ground or a sand-free area to avoid damp conditions. Bring shade equipment like a beach umbrella or a tent with good ventilation. Pack beach-friendly gear like a cooler, lightweight chairs, and sunscreen. Be mindful of tides and weather conditions to avoid flooding or strong winds. Enjoy beach activities like swimming, beachcombing, or bonfires while respecting local regulations.